My name's Corey Springman. I'm the construction manager for the equipment erection at TenarisBayCity. The process behind the installation of the cooling towers included the pouring of the foundations, then installing the support structure, torquing all the bolts, aligning the structure, and then we could begin installing the cooling towers. These are the indirect cooling towers. Each section is 14 by 22 by 27. There's 5 sections that make up the cooling tower for a total width of about 79 feet. The cooling towers are important to Bay City because they provide cooling indirectly to the equipment, which means they don't directly touch the product. The indirect cooling water circuit system supplies water to things like in-furnace rolls, to cameras, to hydraulic units for cooling so that they don't overheat. The installation of the cooling towers is another step that we have going forward in our progress here at Bay City. From here, we're installing pumps, and then finally we'll get into the equipment inside the building.